Imagine waking up one day, grabbing your morning coffee, and realizing that an AI just took your job. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But with AI advancing at lightning speed, millions of workers, especially freelancers like video editors, graphic designers, and content writers, are starting to ask, will AI replace me? How can I stay relevant in a world dominated by AI? Stay tuned, because in the next 4 minutes, we're diving deep into how AI is reshaping jobs, what it means for you, and most importantly, how to future-proof your career. And trust me, by the end, you'll not only breathe a sigh of relief, but actually feel excited about the future. By the way, have you ever asked ChatGPT to do your work for you? Drop a yes in the comments. Let's be real. AI isn't just helping. It's replacing tasks that used to take humans hours. AI-powered video editors can cut, enhance, and generate entire videos in minutes. AI-driven design tools create logos, banners, and even full branding kits in seconds. AI-generated content is filling blogs, scripts, and articles at an insane speed. Even major companies are using AI to automate customer service, marketing, and even coding. So, it's normal to feel uneasy, because the harsh truth, AI is eliminating some jobs. But here's what no one tells you. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones. And the people who understand this shift will thrive. Here's how. The question is not, will AI take my job? The real question is, how can I work with AI and not against it? And the answer, you must level up. Adopt AI tools. Instead of fearing AI, use it to boost your productivity. AI video editors can speed up your work. AI writing assistants can generate ideas faster, and AI design tools can streamline your projects. Focus on creativity and strategy. AI can mimic, but it can't innovate like you. Clients don't just want designs or videos, they want unique ideas, emotions, and human connection. Upskill and evolve. AI can replace tasks, not thinkers. Learn AI-powered tools, improve storytelling, and master the human side of creativity. The future belongs to those who embrace AI as their assistant, not their enemy. Think of AI as your unpaid intern, super smart, but still needs your direction. Guess what? AI isn't just reshuffling jobs, it's creating brand new high-paying ones. AI video editing specialists, experts who blend AI tools with human creativity to create viral videos. AI-powered designers, people who use AI creatively to generate stunning artwork and branding. AI-enhanced content creators, writers who strategically use AI to craft powerful, engaging content. These jobs didn't exist 5 years ago, and in the next 5 years, even more AI-powered careers will emerge. So the real question is, are you ready to evolve with AI? And here's the best part. The people who adapt first will have a massive advantage. Let's wrap this up. AI isn't here to destroy your career. It's here to supercharge it. The winners will be those who embrace AI, upskill, and think bigger. If you want to stay ahead, I'll be covering AI trends, tools, and strategies to help you thrive in the AI era. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because the future belongs to those who are ready for it. And remember, AI can't replace you. It can only replace those who refuse to evolve. The choice is yours. See you in the next video.